I like it at this hour of the day, not much people, so we can get to talk.
Well, can I go first?
No man, essential like you have a burning problem. Don't talk your essence, we can wait. Well, you all know the outed me in my community, right? Yeah, that's why I did have to run away. Right. My family didn't support me because, you know, them are Christian people and them I think, oh, it's gonna look bad upon them in the community. Glad my family wasn't like that. Girl. Anyway, that was years ago. From Brogard, did buy him first pair of clocks. That's all long ago. From when Cartel did block. From when Minister Marianne was Lady Saw. She is still Lady Saw. And she eats spice. Child, don't mix me. Mama tell me a story. So, my mother know. Me take out mortgage. Me, the Batman's son, who is a disgrace, so take up this lady and the man out of rent house. Which man? No father. I call him the man. Cause what kind of father would I try to chop up his son cause you hear that him gay at 14 years old? Eh? So I call him the man. Anyway, and me pay the mortgage, bills, send barrel, them not short of nothing. Yeah? All the next bit of uncle will promise me shot and eat me like poison. Send me a long list of burning things where I want. And you know some send it? Yeah, come and have them up. I forgive them. And it's like, say, me I talk about, it's not like say me I talk about it. But what I do for them, yeah? But can you imagine, say, my sister now I get married, yeah? She want me to come to her wedding. As she alone ever accept me in the family. Yeah? And she want me to come to her wedding. And the rest of them I go look at me now and say, no, them don't want me to come because it don't look good. Eh? And all them don't feel comfortable for me come around them and people are gonna talk. No. So they're comfortable taking your money, but not being comfortable to be associated with you in public? No, man. Boy, you read me falsify, girl. You know exactly how I feel, though. I said something hurt me bad. That's sugary. I see me one of my friends, tell me say a pastor did a bunny mouth. But when him drop a big offering, them start to show him good face and a nice of yo people me I tell you boy. I saw some of them people here stay, them take anything them can get from you. As long as I have it to give them licky them like sweet, see them is all for your Hosanna. And as soon as you buck trouble, as soon as the crowd come down upon you, as soon as them worse than pilot, them wash them hand, them ready to crucify man, them come with them rock stone up and tell us me, man. And then why I stop go church, girl? I don't want to serve the God what I'm serving right now, but I unforgive them. I unforgive them, I'm a bit so bad. So tell me something, you go make because of people, you and God have a bad relationship? No, not me. Me and I make people separate me from the love of God. You hear? Look here, all if me get up one day and I don't believe in a God, guess what? God believe in a me, cause him wake me up. Girl, you probably don't understand what I'm saying because them accept woman in a one way. You understand? So you probably with your man. Accept with your man. You're crazy. You mean to accept a woman when them want woman and woman figure them threesome? That's the only way them ever accept woman in Jamaica. You hear me? Remember me tell you that. It is all fine and then dandy when two women are going upon them one another as long as it to please a man. It don't bother wrong them time there. You see, them is a set of double standard people. But me and a woman now decide to me I go have a relationship. Me and my woman. I think them I go accept who you were. Eh? You know, chum, look here, me get real parade. I tell you that. You understand? One next one of my friend, them bundle our house, which she and our woman, I run me off the runway. So you try and know when me attack easy for which woman, you must be crazy. Girl, you're right. All the way I go through the pain. I'm sorry, I should have even said that. Me get real. I so come me end up leave Jamaica. Cause we did live in a one volatile community in the Garrison. And did have this man at the time, I'm dead now still. Shadow Banks. And one day, you know, every time I see him always I say, call me fish and swimmers and the whole works, Batty Boy and them something else. So it's like one day, me I'll come down the lane and but me upon like the dead end the sun, like him push a gun on my side and say to me, say, hey, idiot boy. And him say, come in here, so. Zine. And carry my gun out like one open land, but like kind of private on the block off, like, and he's like, start lick me up. Then he pull down him pants and tell me, go down upon him and thing and then him do other things to me, man. It's like, couldn't say nothing. And it's like, him sit up on the road the next day and it's like, the man, them tease me. Couldn't do nothing about it because the man a shot at you. I feel away, me feel away because me not gonna ever get the justice yet. Me gonna ever get up in our Jamaican. Tell policeman some man rape me out. Think good still, think good still, That's the memories, is it? You see? And look at that now. Him a do behind closed doors, and guess what? You can't call him out on it. And them a rate him up, a man like him them rate. Cause guess what now? Him a big top shotter. Yeah? So him them rate. People, me tell us God soon come for him all, God soon come for him all because all of we keep up with a lot of slackness and double standard in this place, me I tell you. You understand what I'm saying? It's like them feel like say we are the worst. So remember me tell you, is that them can do murder, them can do all kind of things, anything at all them can do. Them know them Bible and them take out them Bible for we, but them don't take out them Bible for the other things. Them and them condone and up them load up everything else. Them glorify crime, them glorify scamming, them glorify everything. Is like every other thing better than we and come before we. But you see me know some my Bible say the wheat and the tears grow till the day of harvest. Guess what? A judgment day must come.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to get notifications for more videos.